Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where to find subjects and exercises on the Anton application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the subjects icon down below. Here you can select from all of the subjects. If you tap on the subjects per search icon in the upper left corner of the screen, so all of the subjects will appear to you. So you can choose from these options, tap on the relevant one, and then all of the exercises will appear to you organized into categories such as plants, animals, the human body, and so on. If you are interested in learning any of these and do the exercises according to that one topic, just simply tap on it. And here you will find more exercises like subtopics, and just tap on the relevant one, and here you can press the button continue, and you will be able to do these exercises. You can also download them by tapping on this download icon in the upper right corner of the screen, but you need the Anton Plus to use this feature of the application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.